What's going on, guys? Ray here from Most Hated Garage. It is just me today. I am on the highway headed to Lake Erie Speedway for their Smash a Lantern event. I'm going to skip the driving montage because we're on the highway right now and nobody's moving. They got a lot of construction going on, but we're going to bring you all the coverage from Smash a Lantern. We're going to be hanging out with Hostile Drift Crew. We're going to be doing some ride-alongs today. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and we'll see you at the track. Have you guys ever pulled up next to a semi and thought to yourself, geez, I could totally fit under that thing? Yeah? Me neither. Just a little bit of a traffic jam here. Set us back about 15 minutes. Drop a comment in the comment section and let me know how many of you guys had a drunken night when you were younger and tried to steal one of these bad boys right here. All right, guys, we met up with Hostile Drift Crew.
Tell a man no trouble, I don't want beef, man, I just want vibes. Big man like me, no need for the telephone hype. I got too much getting online. One rule, then dead I'm on side. Wrong move, I bet they gon' ride. No need for the telephone hype, nah. No need for the snoozing. Big whip outside, I'm cruising. Big stick inside, no losing. Better watch out for the snake and Judas. Don't ask them who this is. I bet they know what I'm moving in. I bet I show it into the dim. How you hating then lose again? How you hating my vibes? Why you wasting my time? Getting hype on my line. Tell a man I don't want feedback, I just want relax. Brand new with two-tone, I need that brand new hit. You know, like lean back, brand new bits. I live and we back, man, you never gon' like us. Get them on sight now, let them all like that way. They know I'm all righteous. Look at my life, I'm living alright. I'm nice, you know I'm alright. Cause looking like Christ, no need for the hype or fight or telephone vibe. There's no need for the telephone vibe.
So a little bit of a fun fact here, these end plates per wing right here, these are my old end plates from the Miata, and they are deadly. Look at that death rattle. Do not hit your head on that.
Fucking kill you! You did not just do that to me. That was so mean.
That was maybe a little mean. I feel bad. I take it back, everyone. I'm sorry. Oh, not nice. Sorry about that. All right.
It's gonna make good content though.
So, what did the little sputter? Yeah, it's fine.
It's probably spark plug.
You'll have that on these bigger jobs.
Yeah.
From the top.
Yeah, I see that.
Is the whiz getting cracked yet? Yeah, it is. I mean, I shouldn't be able to do that. I would be like that.
When you come here to Lake Erie Speedway, you gotta try the food. Chicken waffle. So good.
I give you the drip fillet, pepper jack, special sauce, pickle sauce.
This is a 10. It's always a 10 every time I come here. Well, here comes the weather. It's they're calling for downpour right now, so I'm not sure if they're gonna be able to get the pumpkins out on the track or not.
Hi, we're about to go watch cars hit pumpkins, and we'll yell at them.
That was good. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video from Lake Erie Speedway. I just made it home. It poured all the way home. And if you don't know anything about convertibles here, you can't see a single freaking thing. Everything fogged. But got a lot of footage to go through. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Lake Erie Speedway was awesome. Thank you, Hostel, for letting us hang out with you and party in those cars. We'll see you in the next video.